Hey, welcome back. So today we are playing this game again because it got an update, so now I have an excuse to play it again. Well, first things first, we gotta know whatever the hell these are. I don't know what they do, but they say they'll only go into effect after today. So, okay. Don't mind me, just gonna. There we go. We're going on a road trip, fellas. Road trip? What's that? Why is his nose so long? Part of a bundle. Hey, bitch, move! You guys working here. So, oh, shit. So, yeah. Also, here's one thing I found out. It's pretty cool. Oh my god. Why did my mouse vanish? Yeah, we're not gonna deal with that. We ain't dealing with it. We ain't dealing with that. Also, another thing. This is the second time I recorded this, because for some reason, my audio decided to cut out midway while playing it. So I think I got an idea. I think when my audio over peaks, that's when the audio messes up. Not when it hits the 30-minute mark. So I gotta quiet down. What I mean by it is, like, if a loud noise plays, my audio just peaks, and once it does that, somehow you just can't recover. I think I gotta just buy a new mic just for this. This is a laptop, so it doesn't really have the ability to, yeah, can't get a new mic. Because it has pre-installed one, so, yeah. Jetstream Sam is here. I don't get it. Well, here's one thing. I discovered rocket science while playing this game. And I can only reenact it. But, bro, move! Why do people always bring those gas cans? What do they want? God, you piece of crap. Why is there a whole roadblock here? What's going on? What is this bull crap? God damn it! Can't people stop just leaving their tracks on the walls? I mean, you can't really not do that. But like, bruh, stop. Clean your crap, man. So, like, clean after yourself. Damn it. No, turn up. Challenge God. No. There you go. Ha, nice try. I will win. No matter what. By Dindler, a crack it. Can't this cart stop trying to fall off, dude? I did nothing wrong. Stop trying to kill me. You jerk. Speed it up, I don't got much time. Can you stop? I will not handle that attitude, ma'am. I'll not handle this type of sass, young lady. No, fine, try me. You want me to beat it? We're going all the way. Stop it! You won't kill me this time. They always never know when to stop being such an a-hole, man. I kid you not. Now I have to deal with that broken cart stuff, man. I can't deal with that all day, dude. Oh. Why is... Oh, that guy's gone. He glued himself to the wall. Oh, no, he just crashed. What the hell is all this? This guy is inventing something. I think that was the guy. It's the flashbang. Why can't it go off? I want to shoot it. Does nothing. Crap here. He needs to be triggered. What does that do? What the hell? Oh, I don't want to see. I'm just gonna take the fuel tank and use it on this guy. Oh, so now you want to use it. Also, there's screws here, and I've seen it. I've seen this thing get removed sometimes. So, like, how do you remove those? There's definitely something hidden behind there. Just don't know where. I'm gonna find out eventually. To a cart. Leech off other people's success. Do it, I dare you. Thank you. Just checking if the mic ain't broken. Oh, come on, what's the hold up, man? I'm not that fat. Oh, just fast enough, and then we're both dead. Come on, game. Be realistic. That crap was really fast. No way you can just mistake me for being such a fat ass. I'm not your mother, you stupid idiot. Get off. Ah, you little shit. Stop riding. Stop riding on the road. Yeah, I was definitely about to say something there, and I realized that it was gonna be bad, so now I changed it, so now you can't do daily shit. I got your ass. Bro, stop with the goddamn chairs! This ain't even a chair, this is a yellow brick. Can people at least clean the damn tracks off the road? Like, come on, man. Stop jumping over them. Or dying. Just stop dying or jumping over it. Just clean it. It's my mistake, and you have to deal with it now. Because I'm making it someone else's problem. And increasing it even more. Come on, man. I already made the chummy move. Shouldn't expand on it. Position it, so now... There we go. No, front seat. No loss joining. Thank you. And also, I have a strategy here. When the railing thing is trying to force you to go slow, just stop the engine as soon as you start hitting it. Oh, you little crap! Stop being an ass! Stop potentially falling over. No, I'm just gonna steal this card. Bro, don't try and throw. Why did you just throw a card at it? Why was it so low quality? Why was the card low quality? Got that Spider-Man type animation. Okay, that ain't my car. Someone's trying to gaslight me. My problems aren't your mistake, dude. Oh, shit. Oh, never mind, we're good. Yeah, if you're going fast, you can either instantly die. Sorry, I had to sneeze. That was dangerous. Oh, God. Also, the other thing I tried to tell you was, like, the new type of cart, but, I can't, because I'm pretty sure it only spawns after, like, every 100th cart, so can't really do anything about that. No one knows this stuff. I guess this fever's getting more dangerous now, huh? I realize that I'm taking a joke. I'm making it a joke. I'm not taking it seriously, so now it's trying to challenge me. Somebody knows this stuff, you know. This fever doesn't really seem dangerous. All it's doing is making me cough more often. Damn it, I broke a cart. What's that? Hung. So what's that line there for? Let's just jump over this. Oh, yeah. Wait. Oh, you little crap, trying to kill me again? Stop it. I did nothing wrong. Also, is that a vending machine? I just pranked someone and put this back at 50. Here, have a roadblock. Bro, crashed someone else's car. And they're going the exact same speed. Trying to bang each other. Just die, dude. Oh, that's not a vending machine. That's a weird thing. Oh, hey, there's a battery here. My lucky day. Ah, because it's roped to this thing, so it can't do anything. Despite this ball being not that heavy to pick up. Oof. So we should definitely look into that. Is this it? Is this what this thing's attached to? Lever is flipped over now. Also, speaking of that cart thing, I'm pretty sure. Oh, is this one the electric battery? Well, whatever it is, it's having a stroke when I put it in there, so definitely not. Also, speaking of the redneck, or not the redneck, the rocket engineering I found out, which technically is just redneck engineering. I discovered how to make deadly rockets. Or even better, just making rockets. Now you may be wondering, you can't make rockets in this game. Well, there's actually two things. Rockets aren't the game, actually. Granted, you do have to use that weird machine thing, but beyond that, nope. And also, if you put it up like this, press boost, there we go, you fly up. Which means that if you do it like this, you can actually get above there. Now the problem is that you still need a cart. Still though. So let's get this big boy. Because maybe, hopefully this time, we'll actually be able to not die. Now, here's the most annoying part. Actually putting in the battery. Because it wants you to snugly fit it in. Meaning that you're going to have to deal with all of the bullshit that comes along with it. Step 1. I'll mash this thing in there. I think someone should get some extra glue in this thing so we can tape it to something. This thing is very susceptible to controllers. Okay. You have to be like very precise because you need to like just find the perfect area to put it in. So you need to fit in. Yeah, yeah, this is the annoying part. It takes minutes just trying to fit this thing in, because just can't. No matter how much you try, it always goes in either facing forwards or outwards. No damn in between. Just go in. They don't make it wide enough. I just want to go in. Stupid dumbass. I know it's satisfying for it to go in, but like, come on, dude. Why'd you make it so it's so goddamn precise? I always end up just messing it up because you can't just get lucky. It takes forever. And now, God damn it! Yep, this fever's definitely kicking in. Okay, so now the first thing you're gonna want to worry about is the shotgun, right? Like down there. You gotta go really fast, because when you hit that tripwire, it fires. Don't worry, it's delayed though. You'll be fine. If you do it right, at least. Ah, what the hell, man? I can't even move it. Because I got it. It's like surgery. Gotta just slowly move with precision. Then just... Let's speed up on this time, because last time I tried to do it, it tried to kill me for some reason. Or it someone managed to kill me. I don't get it. Oh, how am I supposed to go that fast? Why did it speed up? How fast do you want me to go? The hell, man? At least the battery's still there. It's perfectly in the door too, so all you gotta do is just move it a little bit, and then you're done. Also, is there any way to get like more gas at something other than connecting it to right things? Can you stop doing that? Just stay in place, dude. I'm not gonna use one of those bootleg carts at the garage sale. Did you really just try and do that? Seriously? Ooh. Don't lag. That's where lag gets people. And you're not getting me. You ain't getting me. You don't get me. Stupid. That was the last time I want to deal with that goofy shit. How am I supposed to bypass that piano? If it doesn't have a delay, how am I supposed to bypass it? But yeah, this is probably like one of the most unique kart ride games ever, because it isn't like stupidly impossible. Because whatever it is, it's certainly a good, Bro, who gives on? What? Stop with the horn. Bro, I don't know. What fast? Like, what card do you use? Do you use the big card? Or do you use the tiny card? Because it just doesn't care anymore. And also, you should probably keep it at a low level, because when the hood flies open, yeah, it's just bullshitting from now on. It doesn't matter what you do. You just keep on doing that. People just keep on having nuclear bombs at their butt, dude. Oh, there's a cart moving there. Hopefully that's like A's no troller. That battery's gone, I swear to God. Bro, why are you trying to back up into me? Dude, move. You freaking asshole. Why didn't you just press the... Bro, just press the forward button. Isn't that damn hard? I ain't playing chicken with Jetstream Sam, or how damn dangerous he is. If I'm playing chicken with Jetstream Sam, I'm winning. Both damn die in our respective games. Doesn't matter who wins. Both canonically die. Doesn't matter who damn wins. Frillo, come on, man. Ever heard of backing up, dude? Yeah, that's why I was trying to ram into me now, huh? It seemed like a good idea. Bro, who did that? How do you just kill himself on accident? Hopefully that yelling didn't break the audio. Man. Okay, good. The battery is still there. Also, it's good to know that only overpeaking my audio is what crashes it. I'm sure what made me do that, but whatever. Oh, come on! Do you think you're damn funny? No, you ain't funny. You ain't goddamn funny, Mr. Carp. Fuck you. Stop treating me like a damn object. Treat me like a person. God damn it. This game keeps on annoying me, dude. I'm just gonna give out free frying pans. Try me. Kill. And god damn it. Well, okay, that was fun. I hope you have a great time. Good luck.